Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how to relieve those occasional bouts of anxiety or those occasional nights where you can't fall asleep because your brain won't shut down. You're dealing with all kinds of thoughts from your day, from your work, from your life. And you don't need to even learn a new technique. You don't need to learn anything new, and you will have something really beautiful to show for it when you're done. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, then just keep on watching. All right, so what I'm talking about in this video is a paint by number kit. Today's video is sponsored by Paint Vibe. This is a company that sells wonderful paint by number kits. They're on canvas and they are ready to hang. They look like art because they are on the canvas, but I chose this cute little kitty. She's drinking cocoa. I thought it would look really nice hanging by my coffee bar. So I'm going to take you along as I take this out of the box and how I get all the stuff prepared and how I paint and finish this beautiful piece of art that I created. I found that you can do this paint by number activity when you're waiting, you've got something going on later on in the day or evening, and you're trying to pass the time. This is a great way to pass the time during the day, but it's also a great way to quiet your mind. A couple of nights while I was working on this project, I couldn't sleep for some reason. I just was wide awake and tossing and turning, and I decided, hey, this is sitting up there on my table upstairs. Why don't I just go sit and see if it can help me? And I painted for like an hour, and my eyes got tired, and I went back to bed and fell asleep. So it's a great way to quiet those anxious moments that you might have and just go and sit down and paint, and your mind starts to pay attention to what you're doing rather than those thoughts. And once you break that cycle, that's what breaks that anxious, anxiety ridden brain, monkey brain, I like to call it, because it really doesn't give you anything that helps you move along in any kind of situation. You have to get out of that thought process. So, anyway, this is a wonderful way to do that. I really enjoyed this kit from Paint Vibe. It was so easy and there was no skill involved. And I think that my painting came out really, really well. So, come along and see my journey to completion. So this is the Paint Vibe Premium Paint by Numbers painting kit. And when this company reached out to me, I went onto their website and saw all the beautiful paintings that you can choose from. And I did choose this one, the cute kitty drinking his cocoa. And they give you a lot of instructions on the back of the box, just explaining how easy this really is to create a beautiful painting for your home. And also, it helps you to relax, improve your mood, it boosts your thinking, attention, and helps you to learn how to be patient. It is really a wonderful way to pass the time and to quiet your mind. Now, this paint kit comes with everything that you need to get you started and to complete your project. They give you some things to read. You can go on their website, and they also give you the sheet with the corresponding numbers on your project, so that when it's all painted, if you need to touch anything up, you can use that to find out what the paint color is. And what I was just holding there, they give you varnish so that you can cover the whole thing in varnish when you are completed with your project, so that it will last. It gives it a little bit of a shine. And so all of the paint that you need are going to come in the kit, and the brushes are good quality wooden brushes. And the paint, I found I didn't run out of any paint. I had enough to do my whole project. It comes with hangers so that you can hang it. There's a little level in there so that you can make sure that you are hanging it straight. So they really make it very easy for you to create a beautiful piece of art. You can rinse your brushes with simply with water. So easy. I use a paper towel so that I can wipe my brushes after I clean them. I did use a toothpick to stir the paint, but in reality, you really don't even need to do this step. The paint is thick, it covers really well, and as I said, I had plenty of paint to complete the entire project. my coffee bar. I think that it came out amazing. I put a coat of the varnish on there to give it a little bit of a sheen and to protect it. But you know what? You don't have to be perfect, but it certainly is a very cheery picture for me to hang here. And I could change out that picture seasonally. I'm definitely gonna get another kit because it's good to have. I can just take my time with it. This one I wanted to finish so I could show you all how it came out. So I did, make an effort to do it, sooner rather than later. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to check out the Paint Vibe selection for yourself, you can use the link that I have in the description section. And I also have a 10% discount code for you to use. Let me know if you're going to try this paint by number kit for yourself. So take care, everybody. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.